Hi everyone, Liam here. Today I'm going to teach you a move called the curl. This is a pretty easy move to learn first up if you're just starting out, and yeah, it's a lot of fun. You can dance with it. You can sort of get the idea of waving and isolating the ball. So yeah, let's start from the start. Logical place. So we're going to have the ball in our hand, find a comfortable position with a nice sort of V in your arm, not here, not out there. Find a good spot. Starting out, you might want to have your thumb on there, and we're just going to turn the ball in under our arm like this. Okay, then from here to here. From there, we're going to just bring the ball up high like that and back to our starting position. Okay, so let's try that again very slowly. So I'm going to bring the arm around. So we're out like this and then up and create a bit of a figure eight, okay? So remember to do this in front of a mirror, film yourself. Play around with the shape that you create. So we can create a very wide figure eight. We can create a narrow figure eight, or we can isolate the ball in a straight line. This one's a bit harder, but good to learn. So because we're not going to be able to move our arm around like that, we need to move our body around the ball. Okay? So we're going to turn like this. So we're in that position. Then we're going to lift up to the highest point that we want, and then move around the ball again and come down. And repeat. Okay, so that's one direction. We can also do this in the opposite direction. So we've gone this way. So let's try going the opposite direction. So we're going to start with it in our palm, but this time we're going to go up. We go up and around like this, okay? Try that again. Up and around. Land in that position again. It's a bit awkward, but we won't stop there for too long, and create our figure eight again. Okay, so just like with going this way, we can also go that way, and we can also isolate this one. So coming down, moving our body around, up, around. Okay, also very important, practice the opposite hand. Make sure to put a bit more time into your non-dominant hand, and do the same thing. So practice your curls, different figure eights, higher, lower, the opposite direction, isolated, and there we have a curl. All right, have a play around with it. It's a really fun one, and you can do a lot with it early on, and I'll see you in the next lesson.